these are just a few of the reasons why the 180 is so powerful. It is overcoming clear, unadulterated power from the opposite side, showing that it is so powerful, it is more powerful than the powerful. So the green power is more powerful than the powerful. It is so powerful that it is reversing something that has an 80% follow-through rate. All this means is that green is the dominant force, and the move to the upside is usually bigger than normal. So if we could normalize every move to the upside from an event, the moves to the upside from a bull 180 will statistically outpace the moves from other things. It happens to us about 15% of your plays will tend to be bull and bear 180s.